A lot of people's gonna ask yourselves, what did I miss last weekend? Well, this is one thing you missed. Country Cookoff. Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Today I am in Blenheim, South Carolina. And you ask where Blenheim, South Carolina is? It's on Highway 38 on the way to the beach. Today we are here for a very special occasion. Country style cook-off. You got that right. That means a whole lot of grilling, a whole lot of eating. And you get to come with me. But first, as everything that we have to do in life, we have to stand in line. And we're going to stand in line a little while longer, get our ticket, and we're going to go inside and check this place out. And we'll get started right after this station identification. I have my armband, 20 bucks to get in. Chester's famous barbecue sauce. It's like we have a barbecue team here, 3M Barbecue, and they have some ribs on there, and he's basting those things with sauce.
Got brisket in the back.
Brisket in the back, yeah. All right, I see some chicken wings in there. So how long has the ribs been cooking?
Probably about, I just put these on, so they've been only on for about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
These were on probably for about 3 hours. 3 hours.
Oh, really? So normally when you do ribs, how long do you cook them?
I cook them to their tender.
To their tender.
To their tender. You know, sometimes if you want to speed the process up, you can wrap it.
Yeah.
I use foil, but I also wrap it in. I just wrap it with parchment paper.
Yeah.
And then I wrap it with the foil, and then I'll cook it to the tenderness I like.
Yeah.
And
cool.
then I'll put some sauce on it and put it back on the grill.
I hear you. All right. 10 Floss Barbecue from Greenwood, Delaware. Wow. That's a long piece from home. Grandma's Shebang. Well, apparently they've got some awards. Cracklers and skins. Goat Gardener's Barbecue from Columbia.
Greatest barbecue of all time.
And this guy says this is the best barbecue of all time.
Yes, and I stand on that, sir.
Well, it's my first sample of the day. This is from Goat Gardener. Got a little hint of that mustard sauce that the Midlands of barbecue, the Midlands of South Carolina, they kind of go with mustard sauce. This has got a little bit of mustard and a little bit of something else. I think it's good. You need to check it out. You need to try it. Yes, sir, tell me something.
Yes, sir.
Your sauce has got a little bit of that Midland sauce, a little mustard.
A little mustard.
But it's a little different than just a regular mustard sauce.
It is. It is. Some a little mayonnaise. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Got a lot of love.
Yeah. Well, it's different. I'm not a big fan of the pure mustard sauce.
Yeah.
So it's got a little bit of the Eastern, this side of South Carolina with a little bit of Midlands mixed in.
Yeah, that's where I really get it from.
Yeah.
Because I'm from that side, so
Yeah.
that's where we learned, you know, with Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Back in the day, I see my granddad use the RC Cola. Some peanuts.
Yeah.
Shake it up to get that salt flavor.
Wow. It's very good.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Very simple. I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, a meatball has been cooked with sweet Georgia gold. I like it too. We're gonna try a chicken wing from Gusto's in Hartsville. Love it. Little sweetness, little smoke. I tell you right now, before the day's over, I'll be eating myself silly. Awesome.
What do you think about them chicken wings?
I love it.
Okay, thank you.
I'm not a big chicken wing fan because I can eat about 4 pounds of them.
You and me both.
But they're good.
Thank you.
Now, what's your sauce?
Well, that's our homemade sauce. You may have on one.
Yeah.
And then my partner, his wife, made a sweet Asian teriyaki sauce. It's got a little ginger and stuff in it. And that's the other flavor profiles we got right now.
It is good.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. B&B Barbecue from Bennettsville. I hear they rub their meat. Here we go. We'll get a wing. Thank you. Thank you. All right, CJ's barbecue and ribs. Oh yeah. It just keeps getting better and better and better. What you think?
That's good. That's real good. That's a good idea. Come.
Okay, this is Daddy Blues Barbecue from Columbia. She is putting those little riblets in that pan. This is one of my subscribers from Ferens BBQ in Blenheim. And here he is right here. So, is this your meat in here?
Yes, sir. You want to take a look at it?
Yeah, let's look. Chicken wings and ribs.
Yes, sir.
Right here in Blenheim. I heard somebody that did a video and they called it Blenheim, but I thought, you don't know nothing. Pronounce Blenheim.
Blenheim, South Carolina.
Home of the ginger ale.
Home of the Blenheim ginger ale.
And also, there's a natural spring water.
It is true, but don't go back there in the summertime because the mosquitoes will tear you up.
I'm telling you, we had a pit master here. He is training his young one there in the proper technique. Lizard juice.
$20 bottles, got some $10 bottles.
All right.
Ready, man?
I'll do it there.
Chicken wing. Look, teriyaki taste. Good. Hot.
Down the Cookoff Hill, y'all. That's what we do.
Good. You from Alabama?
No, I'm from Florida, born and raised.
You from Alabama?
I beat my chest on my team going.
Oh, okay. It's good. Kansas Barbecue, Evergreen, Alabama. This rib, a little tangy. It's awesome. Very tender. Do what?
I said hopefully in 2 to 3 months we'll be able to get it in any grocery store.
It is good.
Yeah.
It's very different.
Yeah. I own the patent for the recipe. 44 now. I've been making it since I was about 13.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now you are green what?
Evergreen, Alabama.
Evergreen. Now where's Evergreen at?
It's the lower part of Alabama. It's down by Mobile.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Like on the panhandle.
Very good.
I'm glad y'all enjoyed it.
Thank you. The ham skins from Columbia. Here's some of their sauce. It's that mustard sauce, that yellow stuff. You know, back in the old days, they have a bellows to get that coals going. We done moved up to the modern age now. We use the DeWalt.
Gotta love that technology.
Get that fire going. So now, where are you from?
I live in Ridgeville, South Carolina.
Ridgeville, okay. That's where the littlest police department is.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just got a street light, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, we just got a street light on 78.
All right. What a fit. Barbecue Columbia. Here's my favorite part. Look at the meat. Well, that is going to do it for the country style grill off. Hope you have enjoyed the trip as much as I have. Well, that would be hard because you didn't get to taste the barbecue, but it was good. The question is, at the end of the day, who's going to go home with the gold? We'll see. It was all good. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to share it with your family and friends. Until next time, y'all have a good day. We just left the Cookoff. Look at all the cars. It goes on for miles. It was a good barbecue, but it's 91 degrees outside, and it is hotter than 40 you know what. Anyway, we're gonna cool off now.